simplify each expression. We have here first multiplication, negative 8 times 0, when we don't have any sign is multiplication, and we have minus 5. The order operation for integers is the same like for positive numbers. So first we have to do multiplication, then subtraction. We have negative 8 times 0. When we multiply by 0, it doesn't matter what number, the answer is always 0. So we have 0 minus 5. So this is equal. Now we have 0 minus 5. So which of these two numbers is greater? 5 is greater than 0. So we keep the sign of the larger number, negative, and we subtract from 5, 0. So this is equal, negative sign we copy, 5 minus 0 is of course 5. So the answer will be negative 5. Next example, we have negative 9 times negative 5 minus 21. Again, the order operations we have to use. So first multiplication, next subtraction. We have to multiply two negative numbers. When we multiply two negative numbers or we divide two negative numbers, the answer is always positive. So negative times negative give me positive answer, so I can write plus. And we have to multiply 9 times 5 and minus 21 we copy. Positive sign we don't have to write, so we have 9 times 5 is 45 minus 21. So this is equal 24. Next example. We have 2 times negative 12 plus 10. Multiplication and addition. Again, we have to use order operation. First, we have to do multiplication, next addition. We multiply positive number times negative. When we multiply positive times negative, or negative times positive, or we divide negative by positive or positive by negative, the answer is always negative. So it means when one of number by which we multiply or which we divide is negative, the answer is negative. So the answer will be negative from this two, from the multiplication. And now we have to multiply 2 times 12 plus 10, we have to rewrite. So this is equal, negative sign we rewrite, 2 times 12 is 24, plus 10 we have to copy. Negative number plus positive. So first we forget about the signs before these two numbers. We check which is greater. 24 is greater than 10. Before 24 we have negative sign, so we copy this negative sign, and in parentheses we just subtract from 24 10. So this is equal, negative sign we rewrite, 24 minus 10 is 14. So the answer will be negative 14.